GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you do all of that. Subscribe, like, press the bell thing and join Telegram if you want below my channel. And check out these brokers, join them and start your trading journey. Coming back to the chart, starting the top on approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what we got? Weekly, I have bullish signals, okay? So I thought, or a lot of people must have thought that GBP is going down, trend is over, and stuff like that. But if you see this week which has ended, and previous week started on Monday 4th, okay. So the week which started on 4th of August continued until say 11th of August. This candle I'm talking about. So this is your engulfing weekly candle. This is very serious thing, okay. So this candle in weekly has eaten the previous red candle, okay, and then last week, which has gone by like yesterday, this candle is blue again. So I'm expecting this high to be taken as in at least until here. We will go again in weekly time frame, okay. So it might not happen this week, or it could merely be a pullback, okay. So in weekly, this is your downtrend, pullback, and will continue going down. So we have to be ready for both the options, either the continuation of the uptrend, which is less likely, but this could have been, these 2 weeks candle could have been the pullback only. So maybe 50% pullback, and now we can go down from Monday onwards, okay. So let's take a clear picture from daily. Now in daily, we have a bull signal. That's a problem, okay, because we thought that this is purely, surely and purely is the downtrend now. So here you see downtrend, pullback, new low. Now this was supposed to take a pullback, okay. This was your new low, and this was supposed to be a pullback. This is not a pullback anymore, okay. So if I see this, it's 80.06. So this is what we call double top, okay. So this is your double top, and now we're supposed to go down. So this could be a collapse. This could be a collapse, or this could be a pullback of this trend, new uptrend, okay. But for now, the signal which I have here, this is your double top. From double top, we're supposed to go down, but we have a bull signal here as well. Bull signal in my chart means that continuation of the uptrend after the pullback, okay. So if I use my fib levels from here to, I'm considering this as a new trend, okay. So I'm considering this as a new uptrend, which is until here, because see, if it was supposed to be the downtrend, in case of downtrend, the pullback, the blue candles would have only gone up to 78%. But the pullback has happened until 100%, okay. So this could be the start of a new uptrend. Now what is going to happen in the week to come from Monday onwards? Pullback is going to happen, okay. So pullback could be up to 78% in this GBPUSD, okay. So pullback could happen until 3300, 3200, and then from there, from next week, okay, from the week starting on 25th of August, from that week we might continue going up. Time will tell, okay. But for now, I'm looking for shorts, okay, because as I said in the weekly here, looks like to me that this is your downtrended weekly. This is a pullback, and we have to go down. Coming back to daily, in daily, I think a new trend has started. But at the same time, if you talk about recent timings, what's going to happen tomorrow, and this is your double top, price should come down now, and that this downward movements could be a pullback for the continuation of the uptrend, or it could be with a collapse continuing and making a new low. Time will tell, okay. 4 hour, what do we have? 4 hour, we are clearly above the EMA. At the same time, new downtrend has started. Now this could be a pullback, continuation of the downtrend. Time will tell, okay. So on Friday night, it could not continue the uptrend, okay. So this was your new trend pullback, and we have to wait for what happens on Monday now, okay. So in 4 hour, we don't have a clear picture, because in 4 hour, if this high is broken, we'll continue going up, okay. In 4 hour, if this high is broken, then wait for the pullback. So let the price make a new high, pullback, and then you continue going up, okay. Otherwise, wait for the sell signal. Sell signal will easily come when the price is, when the price goes below this EMA, okay. So coming back to daily again, in daily, we have double top. Wait for price to come down. More likely, it will take a pullback this week. So look for shorts. That's what I have for you. But the bigger picture could be different. So we'll talk about this on maybe next Sunday. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, do all of that. Join Telegram, join brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.